In this quiz come hands-on exercise lesson. First, you will answer the questions in the quiz. This will help you to test your knowledge of all the prompting techniques that you have learned so far. Then I'll go over the details of a hands-on exercise that will give you practical experience with designing prompts for a creative writing task using the tree of thought approach. Let's start with a quiz. First question. Greedy decoding leads to a single chain of thought. True or false? If you said true, then you are right. LLM generates text by predicting the next token. When the token with highest probability is always picked, the LLM will lack the diversity of thoughts. That is, it may end up generating the same plan of action or output. Next question. Which prompting approach asks the LLM to vote for validating its own plan of action or solution? If you selected self-consistency, then you're right. Next question. Thought backtracking is possible only in this technique. If you pick tree of thought, you are right. LLM chain must use the same LLM for all the steps in the chain. True or false? The answer is false. You can use different LLMs for various steps within the chain. Which approach will work out best for crossword puzzles? The answer is it is tree of thoughts. In the paper that we discussed, the authors use crossword puzzles to validate the effectiveness of the tree of thought approach. Next question. Always apply train of thought approach for reasoning problems. True or false? The answer is false. It depends on the problem. Tree of thought increases the complexity of the solution. As a result, my suggestion would be to see if you can get the results with other techniques such as chain of thought or self-consistency. Next question. It is believed that chain of thought works because we give model fill in the blank. The answer is that we give model time to think. Let's talk about the exercise now. In this hands-on exercise, you're tasked to design the prompts for the 4-step creative writing task. The style instructions for the write-up are already provided to you in the course guide. Details for this exercise are available under the section Prompt Engineering, exercise number 4, Tree of Thought. Follow the instruction and the hints to design your prompts. I will be providing you the solution for each of the prompt. So before proceeding to the next prompt, compare your prompt design with the solution that I am providing. Keep in mind that there are multiple ways to design the prompt. So if your prompt does not look like the solution that I have put out in the guide, it's perfectly fine. My suggestion would be to put together a new notebook and set up the code for generating these prompts using the guidance and suggestions in this exercise. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.